Hello my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. How are you all guys? Guys, in this video I am going to show you very pretty 50 plus crochet flower patterns. If you are looking for a quick and easy crochet project, why not try making some flowers? In this video we will provide 30 free and easy crochet flowers patterns for you to choose from. These patterns are perfect for beginners and most of them can be completed in just a few hours. So grab your crochet hook and get started. Crochet flowers are the perfect way to add a touch of personality to any project. They can be used as embellishments on crochet hats, scarves, blankets, frocks and more. In this video, you will see very beautiful and easy crochet flowers. You are sure to find a pattern that you love. Want to learn how to crochet a beautiful flower? You will love our in-depth beginner series that will teach you how to crochet a flowers with step-by-step instructions and lots of clear photos. Keep watching my video guys. Supplies you will need to make crochet flowers. To make crochet flowers you will need just a few supplies: yarn, a crochet hook and the yarn needle to sew. You can crochet flowers with acrylic yarn, cotton yarn or wool blend yarns. If you are not sure which yarn to choose, you will watch my full video till end. Most crochet flowers patterns use hook sizes between 3 mm and 5 mm. If you are looking for a great set of ergonomic crochet hooks, I always recommend this set of hooks by Clover. How to use crochet flowers? Once you have made a garden's worth of crochet flowers, you may be wondering what to do with them all. So I really hope that you will like my video and like my information. If you have any requests, please let me know comment section. I will reply your comment and I really hope that you really enjoyed my video. So guys, to take care of yourself, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to share my videos with others. Thanks for watching guys. I will be back soon with my new videos with my new ideas. Do remember me in your prayers. God bless you guys. I will be back soon with my another video with my another idea. Keep supporting me, keep watching my video, and keep sharing my videos with others. Thank you so much guys. Love you all. Once again, thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel and do not forget to share my videos with others. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.